Now more than ever, families are turning to arts and crafts and DIY projects to help pass time at home. And with the Christmas decorations coming out, a DIY ornament for your tree is a fun and easy project to tackle. We are getting crafty for Christmas today with Amy Latta, making DIY ornaments that are great for gifts, or you were even saying gift tags. So tell me about this project.
Sure. So this is a really simple DIY. You don't have to have any special art skills, and all you need are a few simple supplies. And then you can see here on the tree, they just look so colorful and fun. And if you put, like I have one that has our family's name on it, you can easily tie that onto a package and it can serve as your gift tag too.
I love it, and the glitter on it is just going to shine so nicely with the lights on the tree. So walk me through, what do we need to get started?
So all you need, you're going to start with an acrylic ornament base.
Okay.
And I got these at my local craft store for like $1 a piece, and they come in all different shapes. So today I'm going to be working with a unicorn, you have a snowflake, but there's also all other kinds of shapes that you can work with.
Okay.
And we need what they call confetti glitter.
Okay.
So this is found, also at the craft store or in Amazon, and you can get it in different colors. So you're going to be working with blue and silver. I have sort of this multicolor, which is really fun. There's gold and silver, there's holographic, kind of just a white. So anything you want to use. So we have our base, we have our glitter, and the last thing we need is Mod Podge.
Love Mod Podge.
Yes, one of my favorite crafting supplies because it can do just about anything. So all we're going to do is decide which side of your ornament is the back, and we're going to take a paintbrush and just paint a thin layer of Mod Podge over the entire surface of the back of the ornament. So we just want to cover it all, and this is going to serve as our glue that holds the confetti glitter in place.
Okay.
And then once you've done that, you're going to take whatever color of the confetti glitter is your favorite, and you're going to sprinkle it on top while the Mod Podge is still wet. Now you'll notice that I gave us a piece of computer paper to put underneath of where we're working because this is a messy project.
Okay.
And typically I say if it isn't messy, it isn't fun. So we know we're gonna have a good time with this. This is also a great one for your kids to help with. My son made some of the ones that are on the tree there. He did the pretty heart with all the rainbow colors, so kids will enjoy this too. But this will help contain the mess if we do it over top of some paper.
I love that. My husband is not a fan of glitter.
Oh.
So anytime that I can use it, but sneakily,
Exactly.
keep it in a contained space.
Exactly. And this is good too because it's not the tiny glitter, so you're not going to be finding it everywhere for 5 years or anything like that. So we're going to pick our ornament up, and then all the excess that didn't stick is going to come off on your paper.
Okay.
And you just want to make sure that if you have anything that's sticking out over the edges that you tuck it in. But basically it just gives us that nice coating behind the ornament and gives us our color.
So pretty.
So easy too, right?
Yes.
Now you'll notice that you can see the Mod Podge right now. It looks white, but
yeah,
it
that'll dry
clear.
Right? Okay.
Yes. So then what we do is we're just going to lay it back down and we're going to walk away, and you would let this dry for several hours, and then you're going to come back, and once it's dry you're going to do a second coat of Mod Podge over top just to seal your confetti glitter in place so it doesn't fall off.
Then the final step.
Yes, the final step is if you want to letter something on here, you can. You could use, hand lettering is my thing. So you could use a paint marker or a permanent marker, and all you do is just write a name or a message or anything that you like using that paint or permanent marker. Like I'm going to do Good Day PA.
Love it. Amy, what is your website? Because I know you always put the instructions online.
Yes, it is amylattacreations.com, and if you go to that home page, you're going to see, if you scroll down past my photo, it'll say on TV, and you'll see a link for this exact project.
I love it, Amy. Thank you so much. We'll be right back.